topic is pollution, and as you saw before, it is a really bad problem, not just in this area, but also in the surrounding suburbs. I recorded this interview earlier with a Redford beach dweller. So how is the pollution affecting the beach?
Well, dude, I'm out in the water and I have these rubbish bottles come out to me and plastic bags and everything like that.
How long has it been affecting you?
Oh man, I just turned 25 last week and I don't know, I've been surfing since I was 16, so what's that, 9 years?
Thanks. Thanks for your time today.
Oh, no worries, dude.
Ew, cigarette butt. That was just one of the many pieces of rubbish that I found down at the beach today. But what can the local council do? Many clean-up days have been held, with local schools coming down to help out. But this area